Same day sourdough bread. This recipe is perfect for busy people. It only needs 5 to 6.5 hours of prep time and requires only one stretch and fold. You know, sometimes life can get busy and you just want something fast, easy, and delicious. And this recipe is just that. Now let's get to baking. In a large bowl, add 200 grams of active sourdough starter. This is roughly just under 1 cup. Then add 350 grams of warm water. Now mix until combined. If your starter floats in the water, that's usually a good indicator that it's ready to use. Now add 500 grams of bread flour to the mixture. Lastly, add 12 grams of kosher salt. Then stir everything together until a shaggy dough forms. Now cover and let rest for an hour at room temperature. Once rested, perform one stretch and fold. Pull one section of the dough up, stretch it over the center, and press it into the dough. Turn and repeat 4 to 5 more times. Cover and let rest for 4 to 5 hours in the oven with the lights on. This will encourage your dough to rise. Typically, the dough is ready to bake when it reaches 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This means the dough is done bulk fermenting, so feel free to take the temperature of your dough to confirm. You could also look for bubbles on the surface or on the sides of the dough. Another indicator is when the dough gently springs back when pressed. Place the dough on a lightly floured surface. Now we're going to shape the dough. Press out any air bubbles. Fold the dough onto itself like so. Then roll it up and shape into a round by spinning and pulling the dough towards you. Flip the dough over and let rest for 20 minutes. Now is a good time to preheat your oven to 550 degrees Fahrenheit with the Dutch oven inside. Once rested, prepare and dust a banneton with flour. I prefer using rice flour. Set aside and let's do our final shaping. Repeat the process from earlier, shaping the dough into a round. Now transfer the dough to the banneton. Lightly flour the surface to prevent sticking. Now cover and let rest in the fridge for 10 minutes. This will help make scoring the dough easier. If not baking on the same day, you could leave your dough in the fridge for up to 48 hours. Once the dough is chilled, transfer it to a piece of parchment paper or a silicone mat. Score the dough as you see fit. Now transfer the dough into the preheated Dutch oven. Bring the oven temperature down to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake with the lid on for 30 minutes, then uncover and bake for 15 minutes. and it baked up beautifully. I couldn't be more proud of this loaf. Let's cut into it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if this recipe works for you. I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye!